Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to WS Spoken, your go-to place to become fluent in English, natural and confidently. Today's episode is something truly exciting and powerful. What if I told you that you could speak English fluently in just 30 days? With no speaking partner, no coaching classes, and no expensive subscriptions. Yes, just you. And the simple, powerful plan that I'm about to share sounds unbelievable. Stick with me. By the end of this podcast, you will feel ready to take on the challenge. Segment 1. Why most learners struggle. Let's be honest. Most learners struggle with spoken English because they depend too much on others. They wait for a partner. They wait for the perfect course. But here's the truth, your fluency is in your hands. You don't need a partner. What you need is a daily structure that works. And today, I'll give you that structure, a 30-day speaking plan that's fun, practical, and completely solo. Segment 2. The 30-day plan overview. Here's how we will break it down. Week 1. Build vocabulary plus confidence. Week 2. Practice speaking daily with no partner. Week 3. Focus on real life English, shopping, chatting, daily talk. And week 4. Polish pronunciation, express yourself fluently. Sounds exciting. Let's dive into each week. So, week 1. Build vocabulary and confidence. Start simple. Every day, pick 5 new words related to your daily routine and create sentences using them. Say them out loud, record yourself, listen. Use your phone as your speaking partner. It never gets tired. Also, try mirror talk. Yes, speak to yourself in the mirror for 5 minutes a day. It builds confidence like nothing else. Week 2. Daily speaking without a partner. Now it's time to level up. Pick one topic daily, like my family, my favorite movie, or how I spend my day. Record a 1 minute talk in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Fluency comes with flow, not perfection. Feeling stuck? Watch a minute English video and then repeat what they said in your own words. That's called shadowing, and it's a secret weapon for fluency. Week 3. Real life English practice. Let's get real now. This week, you will practice English that helps you in real situations. Practice how to ask for directions, order food, introduce yourself to someone new, or make a phone call in English. Write a few lines, memorize, speak them on them. Bonus tip. Change your phone settings to English. Surround yourself with the language. And week 4. Pronunciation and expression. You have built the foundation, now let's polish it. Watch native speakers on YouTube, pause, repeat, copy their tone, rhythm, and style. Record yourself and compare. Small changes lead to big results. Also, learn how to say things differently. Instead of always saying, I'm fine, try, I'm doing great, I have been better, or not bad at all. This variety makes your English sound natural and confident. Here's your final task, day 30. Record a 2-minute video of yourself talking about your journey in English. Talk about what you learned, how you felt, and what changed. Post it somewhere, even if it's just for yourself. That video will remind you how far you have come. Fluency isn't magic, it's consistency. You don't need perfect grammar, you don't need a partner. You just need to show up every day for 30 days. So, are you ready to take the challenge? I believe in you, and WS Spoken is here to support you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to WS Spoken for more powerful English tips. And if you are starting your 30-day fluency challenge today, drop a comment or message saying Amen. Together, let's make English easy, fun, and fearless. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing. Thank you.